Madam Chair, um, first of all, may I just seek clarification from the affiants of the affidavit of investigation. There are four of you from the NBI who signed this affidavit. S.A. Jeremy C. Lotok, SRA Ria Vanessa Diaz Asuncion, SRA Van Homer M. Angluben, and Agent John Mark Kalilong. I would just like to know who among you are the most senior in rank of the four affiants.
You're next.
I am the most senior, sir.
You are,
Among
sir.
the four, sir. I am the most senior, sir, among the four.
Kindly
affiants, sir.
identify yourself. Di ko makita yung nameplate ninyo. S.A. Jeremy Lotok. Yes, I'd just like to seek your confirmation. In paragraph 4 of your affidavit of investigation, you said, and I quote,
Alin, boss?
in the same press conference, VP Duterte likewise responded to an online commenter expressing concern on her security by stating, quote, yes, wag kang mag-alala ma'am sa security ko kasi may kinausap na ako na tao. Sinabi ko sa kanya, kapag pinatay ako, patayin mo si BBM, si Lisa Araneta at si Martin Romualdez. No joke, no joke. Nagbili na ako, ma'am. Pag namatay ako, sabi ko, huwag kang tumigil, mamapatay sila. And then he said yes. So you confirm that this is in your affidavit of investigation.
Yes, sir, I do confirm that it's part of our affidavit of investigation.
And I would just like to know your understanding dun sa bandang, yung una kong nabanggit na quotation, yes, huwag kang mag-alala ma'am sa security ko kasi may nakausap na ako na tao. In relation to the last part of the last sentence where the VP Sara said, and then he said yes. May I know what's your understanding? Is one and the same person?
Well, actually, ongoing yung investigation namin, sir. Although we cannot divulge it right now para hindi ma-preempt yung aming ginagawang investigasyon. But definitely, we believe na meron ho siyang kinausap at meron hong assassin na naka-assign base doon sa conversation.
Just if to confirm that I heard right, na meron siyang, you confirm. Could you kindly repeat your statement?
Yes, sir. Based ho sa aming affidavit, BP Sara is referring to one of the same person, sir.
At kasama po sa inyong investigasyon yung pagtukoy doon sa kung sino man yung taong yon.
Which is ongoing po, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, Madam Chair. No more questions.
Thank you, Honor.